Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, I will show you how to enable Wi-Fi calling on a Samsung phone and comprehensive steps. So, let's start the video. But before proceeding with this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we post a new video. How to turn on Wi-Fi calling on a Samsung phone from settings? Wi-Fi calling is an amazing feature that allows you to effortlessly make and receive calls and text messages, even when phone coverage is spotty. You can use a couple of methods to turn on Wi-Fi calling. The first is in your phone's settings app. So, let's follow the steps to turn on a Wi-Fi calling from the Samsung settings app. Make sure you're connected to a Wi-Fi network. Open Settings. Then tap on Network and Internet or Connections. Tap the switch next to Wi-Fi calling. Alternatively, you can also enable Wi-Fi calling from the Quick Settings panel, Notification panel. Swipe down from the top of the screen, and then tap the Wi-Fi calling icon to turn it on. How to enable Wi-Fi calling on a Samsung using phone app? Another method to enable Wi-Fi calling on a Samsung device is more straightforward, as you can simply tap or toggle off the Wi-Fi calling switch in the phone app. So, follow the steps to enable Wi-Fi calling through phone app. Unlock your phone screen. Tap on Phone or Calling Phone app. Then, tap on More option. Then go to Settings. Tap on Wi-Fi calling option. After that, tap the switch to activate Wi-Fi calling of your choice. The Wi-Fi calling will be enabled, and now you can make and receive calls and text messages using this feature. So, this is all about how to enable Wi-Fi calling on a Samsung phone using two methods. If you found this video useful, then give it a like and subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.